move. Let's pull up a Take Solution as well. Came out with its numbers a short while back. Good quarter for them. Top line grew by about 11%. Profit was up 8%. There was higher tax outgo, but margins were stable. Operationally also they have done well. Srinivasan H R, VC and MD of Take Solutions is with us. Just run us through the highlights of the quarter. A good one for you. What were the key metrics?
Thank you. Good afternoon. It's been an excellent quarter for us. So our top line was about 454 crores. That's a year-on-year growth of about 27.6% and Q-on-Q of about 11.25. It's been strongly driven by the growth of our life sciences business, which has shown a CAGR of about 30% over the last 3 years. The order book is looking very strong. There is a 30% growth in our order book, so it stands at $189 million at the end of 31st March. And margins actually for the quarter have improved by about 0.6% compared to the previous quarter. So overall, I think the impact of volumes is there on margins and they're improving. And the growth trajectory in dollar terms should be anywhere between 22 and 25% going forward.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. In fact, your dollar growth was quite strong this time, over 22%. Is this the sort of run rate that you can hope to maintain going ahead? What kind of top-line growth are you looking at for the rest of fiscal 19?
Yeah, in dollar terms, we should be growing anywhere between 22 and 25%. And that is the guidance that I would give for fiscal 19.
And if you talk about the margin picture as well, then if you could give us a sense of what targets you have on the margin front?
See, for this quarter, we were at about 19.9%. I would say for the fiscal 19, we'll be around the 20% mark, and that will be the margin profile for this year.
And of course, how important is the rupee tailwind for you right now, considering that a majority of your business comes from the US in any case?
Yeah, but we also consume a lot of dollars because we have a lot of expenses we have a lot of headcount and expenses in the US. So for us, it's more like a translation on the balance sheet. So it's not exactly all the business that we do is not offshoreable. So we earn in dollars and we also consume quite a bit in dollars. So I don't think that makes a great impact other than the translation on the balance sheet.
All right. So no specific tailwind coming from the rupee weakness. That said, if you could give us a view on your order book at the moment, where does it stand, and any expectations you have on that front?
So the overall order book is at about 189.36 million, of which 179 million is from the life sciences business and about 9.9 is from the supply chain business. Year on year, the life sciences order book has grown at 30%, whereas the overall order book is about 26%. Generally, this is executable over a 7 to 9 month time frame. And we have a good visibility of projects beyond that. So we are very bullish on where the level of order book is and how it would build up in the next few quarters.
Right. I know supply chain is a small business for you, just about 10% of the overall book, but that has gone down by about 16-odd%. Any particular reason as to why that was, and will the concentration of life sciences over supply chain continue to grow?
Yeah, that's right. We've in fact a stated objective of divesting the supply chain business, for which efforts are on. During the year, we divested the Middle East business of the supply chain. We still have the US portion of it left. So the drop is due to divestment of one, and also the supply chain business as such, we've not been able to generate traction, and it's not an area of focus for us in future.
Can we expect any development on that divestment anytime soon?
Yeah, actually we are overdue on that development already. So hopefully we'll be able to conclude a transaction during the first half of this fiscal.
All right, fair enough. We'll leave it at that. Thanks so much. That's Srinivasan H R, the VC and MD at Take Solutions, taking us through a good quarter gone by for the company. In fact, the stock too seeing positive traction, trading with gains of about 2% for the moment. The Nifty for it